And when I was studying in the university, Punjab University, School of Economics, I did. I joined two colleges at one time. I used to study in Punjab University Economics Department from 9 to 1, and at 2 o'clock I used to go to College of Art for 4 years. So I'm a student of College of Art and this thing. So I was this thing. Both places I used to study. I no, I have got triple major or something, but passion is my art.
Truly passion about, I think, the people of Punjab now.
And do you know what happens? That passion can be seen in me because I love to create things. You know what is an artist? Artist is a creator. He creates things. And if you look at it, whatever the infrastructure has been created is created because of the passion. You need to have passion to do something. You want to build a house. There should be a passion in you to build a house, create a house. So this is like I'm creative. I consider Punjab as my house. Nobody asked me to build these roads. It was my passion to do those. Nobody asked me to build Mohali airport. But I had a passion. We have to be best. We have to be best. You know, you have to create the best, like in business. You want to be number one in your line. So to be number one in line, you try to improve everything, every aspect of it. That's passion. If a person's job is just to rule, then you don't have passion. You go to, has anybody been to Darbar Sahib? You have been, that Heritage Street. It is passion. I designed the street. And I'm telling you, I was there as a deputy CM every Monday from morning till night on the street, walking on the street, do this, create a statue here, all the art pieces, all that was done by me, painting, all that. And nobody in Punjab knew, my father didn't know. I just caught him there on the final when he switched on the lights and they were shocked. You know, anything can be created. India, we have such potentials for everything. It all depends on one person. Like you running a company, it all depends on you. And biggest example of one person is Dubai. They don't have oil, nothing. But one person, he had a vision, he was a creator, he created that thing. Why couldn't Abu Dhabi do the same thing? Why can't Sharjah do the same thing? But no, it all depends on whom you lead. So that's what I'm saying. People of Punjab, when we say that politicians are bad, actually we choose the politicians. If you choose a wrong manager, obviously your company is doomed. So I personally blame the people. I said, you select people who is not right for the job. Then obviously whatever you select, the same quality you will get.
What a wonderful, wonderful answer to this. Thank you so much. Definitely Heritage Street is one of the biggest pieces of art that we have seen in Punjab in recent times.
Even Sokhulas.
Yes.
Do you know what it was? It was my poultry farm. That place was a poultry farm. But I said you have to create something which is, you know, you can create anything and people will go there. It's what you create.
Thank you. So we have any questions from audience on this? There's one question there. You come in front if it's not visible.
Good morning, Shailesh Jain here. Sir, coincidentally, I've done my master's from California State University as well.
Oh.
My question is, if you had a chance to stay back in Los Angeles after an MBA, which career would you have chosen? I mean, you've said art, but I'm not going to take that answer. If you were in LA, what would you have chosen?
I actually got a job there in investment banking. I worked there for 6 months, but I was forced to come back.
Family business.
You know, it people look at not family business. This is my business with everything. What happens is politics. You know, thousands and lakhs of people are connected to you, to a family. It is, it is very difficult to create a leader. You can demolish him anytime. So, the Shromani Akali Dal, especially my father, there are lakhs of people who joined with him. And they wanted me to continue. It sounds very, this thing that, it is like that. But because there's so much connection that they were actually so much peer pressure on me that you have to leave the job and come back and work here from the party.
Just an extension of this question. Did you like your life back in Los Angeles for whatever?
I was in, I stayed in Long Beach, and we were 5 friends who were all together here. Some from Punjab University, some from Delhi, and most of them from Sunab. So we got admission together at the same time, and the MBA courses there are normally in the evening.
Right.
And it's only 3 days a week. So 4 days you are in Vegas.
I would agree. Thank you so much, sir.
And I'll tell you something, I don't want to announce it here. I have a plan to create something similar to, if I say Vegas, then it'll be headlines. But something, a city, a first Punjab hill station, which we're going to create in Punjab. First Punjab hill station. And none of you have seen that place. I think I may be the only person who's been to that place, had planned everything, got the land acquired. This place is 20 kilometers from Pathankot Airport. It's a lake, 80-kilometer long lake in Punjab, 80, with 3 islands, and it's of all hills around it. And it's so beautiful. From there, another 30 kilometers is Dalhousie, snow. We are going to create the biggest entertainment hub of world class. I had done everything the last tenure, acquired the land also. I had flown in all the CEOs of all the hotel chains in the world in a helicopter there. They went crazy. Every process, everything bidding was done, the government changed and the files are shut. So, we have to create something which is of that level to shake the economy. I don't believe in small things. I believe in if you want to really trigger activity, that has to be at different level. And we have the potential. Today you don't need money, you have to have ideas. Today, what is startups? Ideas. In 5 years, from zero to billionaire, ideas. For state does not need money. I can get money from all of you sitting and invest in it. But you need ideas. When I had an idea, I'll tell you what my idea was. Similar to Dubai, but creating it here. Why? I'll tell you why. I'll give you an example. Satluj River. You do a barge here. And on the Band, increase the height. You'll create here, next to Ludhiana, a 50-kilometer long lake. Just, your investment is not going to be more than 1,000 crores in this. Then you can create a canal system from there. I had actually planned it. We had taken out the land, we have this thing, about 2,000 acres. And once you create this lake, create a waterfront, lakefront, commercial and residential, and from that, what is Dubai taking water out of the same thing? You take the water out of here into the waterfront places. It's done. You don't need to invest anything. Investment is done by the people. Same thing, I had even got the bids from the world. That wing, or what are those, not wing, that the biggest hotel chain that who's got the biggest casinos also, they also ready to invest there.
Bellagio?
Not Lagio, that other one. Win.
Win.
And you've been to Gantic Islands and all these places. The same thing is going to be created there, on level of the international level. So what I'm saying is, it is you have to spark one thing. New Chandigarh, when I created New Chandigarh, what did I do? I just made one road. I could have made a single road also, nobody would have invested there. But I made that road, landscaped it, beautifully done up. All roads are 50 feet, all 100 to 200 feet, all roads inside. Punjab government spent 400 crores in building the road, and the last 5 years of a government, Punjab government earned more than 10,000 crores from there. Because land, people started buying land, registry, CLU, the whole activities triggered off, and we started making money out of it. Basically what happens is, you need a state CEO. And another thing, a person who's not been successful in doing business in his own life will never be a successful politician in running the state. This is like running a company. You have to take decisions. Bureaucrats can never advise you. They'll never give you a decision, they give you only options. You tell them take a decision, they will not. It is a person sitting on top who can and who will take a decision. And if you choose a person who is not interested in decision making, then 5 years are gone. Sometimes even I start wondering, when you take decisions, like your decision of a vote is equal to your decision of who's running your company. I want to ask you one question. Did I make a difference in your lifestyle in the past 5 years? Now, when you travel to Chandigarh, how do you feel? Power problem. The chairman Saab is sitting here. Kithe chairman Saab? Chaudhary Saab, he was my chairman of Power Electricity Board. Ask him, every Monday a report used to come to me. Every day, kithe power shortage hai, kithe kiya, kime hai, koi problem hai. He was with me from the 5 years, Chaudhary Saab. Today, power problem is not coal problem. I want to tell you something, we all are sitting. Power is not coal problem. Power problem is they have not increased generation. When we took over this government in 2007, we were producing 5,000 megawatts of power and a demand was 10 megawatts of power. There was a 5,000 megawatt shortage. We used to that time buy power at 10 rupees, 11 rupees, 12 rupees to give you and sell it to you at 7 rupees or 5 rupees. But we used to buy it. So we said we have to be first self-sufficient. We built these power plants. And I want to make one thing clear, these power plants are not private plants. They are 100% government plants. Why? Investment is of the private guy, but the plant is the state's. They cannot sell power or produce power to anybody else. Like National Highway, the highway is the state's. Investment is there and they are taking their money once the return finishes. They go out. Same thing with these power plants. These are our state plants. At 2 rupees 80 paisa, the cheapest power plants ever built in a country is R2. No power plant has been built cheaper than our plant. Yaar, ek minute, yaar, thoda piche beh jaun. Can you, if you can sit down, people can't see. Now, we built these power plants in 4 days. We took it out to, we increased our production from 5,000 to 11,000. We were surplus. Now what happens? Every year, 600 to 700 megawatts of power increases, demand increases. Every year in the state. People are increasing, factories are increasing, your expansion, AC, you're doubling your air conditioning capacities, everything. So in 5 years means 3,500 megawatts has gone up. They have not even built a single megawatt. They have not thought of it. And besides that, they shut 2 plants. So what will happen? Shortage. And they'll blame it to Government of India, this coal shortage. These are all manageable. Coal shortage and all can be planned and managed. Basically, you have an incompetent government who is trying to not running the state. So basically, what I'm saying is, things can change very fast. When Mohali, I took it up a challenge to make Mohali better than Chandigarh. I used to go travel at night with my DC, increase the rent of the rate. These roads should be made into 200 feet. Do this, do that. Look at the lighting, landscape, everything. Today, when you get out of a Mohali International Airport, you seen the road? Why did I do? I could have made a single road also. Because the person who enters Punjab should see the grandness of the whole thing. That whole, you have to plan. It is like planning a house. You need a chief minister who plans it like that. Not, aji, aata dal de do ji, ek pension pay do ji. These are okay routine. You have to have an artist to create your house. Like you hire interior designers for what? Because your dream has to be, whatever you have a dream, it has to be implemented. And I have a dream to make Punjab the level where people are proud, infrastructure, everything. This airport of Mohali, that I was part of the design team. If you look at it, it's all light. You won't see the light switched off. And I sat there with these teams, and this airport, why did I get an airport? Because I knew Punjab cannot develop without a strong international base. So we created, and within 3 months I got the clearance of an airport, which is impossible, but I got it done. Because I had the passion. Even this road which is coming in the center of Ludhiana, I want to ask you one question. When you used to go on this road, on the Moga road, remember there used to be a single road and both sides on mud, kacha, sarasi. I said, I have to, that entrance into Ludhiana has to be there. So I created this whole big road infrastructure, which is the ground level. Just look at how much economic activity took place. Those malls and everything came up. If it were a single road, nothing would have happened. This connecting Moga with Chandigarh road is elevated. It was my idea, and 6 months before that I cleared it and gave the money, every sanction. If I was the government today, it would have been done 3 years back. But no. They are not even bothered, not a single murder and is happening. You go to Jalandhar bypass. Now when you come back from Jalandhar, you are driving from Jalandhar coming to Ludhiana this side. Have you seen the road? Infrastructure. These all things are, nobody asked me to do it. I used to travel at night, look at it, what has to be done, this has to do this, connect this with this, make this with this, and do it like that. That's what we do. So you need passionate people. You don't need, actually I'm less of a politician. I'm not a politician at all. Because whatever is in my mind, I say it. So unfortunately, I have suffered a lot because of that also. Now you tell me, I've been talking too much. I think you should tell me what you want in your life.
No, I think everybody is sitting and just focused means that they're loving, the talk. But definitely, sir, there are 2 takeaways that we are going to get a CEO for the state of Punjab now. These elections are going to be somebody who has a vision.
No, that depends on you.
Definitely.
So you have to choose between Bhagwant Mann, if he can lead you, or Kejriwal.
Definitely. And one thing I assure you from this conversation, a lot of these industrialists would be investing near Pathankot tomorrow.
See, I took 10 rounds there, a lot of people bought also. Do you know, I am going to create, you're going to get this big yacht. We will have a yacht station also there. You're going to have big ship thing. You know, when I talk like this, people think that this guy's going bonkers, something wrong with him. But actually, you see that place, there's a plateau. It's a a plateau there which overlooks the lake and the snow-capped mountains. It is about, say, about 1 kilometer long plateau, like just about 1,000 feet above the lake, flat. Can you imagine? You create that whole city overlooking the lake. Lake is like an ocean, 80
Wow.
kilometers, which nobody has seen, and that's Punjab.
Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, you would never hear this, something like this coming, and what a vision, sir. Beautiful. But I'll come to some of the issues now. I'll start with the pandemic. We all know that India suffered badly. Well, just not India, entire world suffered in this. And we saw two sides of the humanity. One side where all the NGOs, people got together, they really helped each other. And the second side was really horrific. The infrastructure collapsed. Black marketing, the shortage of medicines, doctors, hospitals charging over the roof. I wouldn't blame it on a particular government or a particular, because this situation was just something that never happened. But definitely as a world leader, what did you learn from it? And how would you ensure that this doesn't repeat, especially in the state of Punjab?
Actually, what happened is that such a situation has never happened in the world. If America can collapse, Europe can collapse. We look at them as the destination. We are I think we are much better off than what has happened to him. Because if you look at it, basically, if you look at, the level of rubbish we eat, and this has actually helped us. Maybe that is something which saved us. If you look at the deaths in America, they have a better system to save people, and the deaths were higher there than India, with a larger population. It is because of our immune system, which we have, unfortunately, for whatever reasons, immune system. What has happened is that governments have never been prepared. You run governments on a day-to-day basis. Ki aaj problem ki hai? You need to visualize. That's what I'm saying. Like you visualize your company that, okay, I want to reach this level. That should be the plan, which is unfortunately hasn't happened. Priorities of our governments, whether it's Government of India, Prime Minister Modi, or this thing, has not been holistic. Giving statements, I'm not criticizing the Prime Minister, I'm just saying, giving statements does not make a change. Swachh Bharat, will it make a change? Unless you implement it in a way that it starts getting results and you follow it up to the last bit. Make in India. What? Unless you incentivize the industry and you do in such a way that, okay, make sure that people are encouraged and you encourage in the industry. What has happened is more statements have come up rather than the roadmap to implement those. He should have chosen only 3 things or 4 things in his tenure. I want to change these 4 things. And he could have done it. That's why, like on medical infrastructure, there's one PGI which is created last 40 years in the whole state, and now AIIMS one has come. Last 50 years, what has we come? Nothing. CMC, DMC. Anybody who gets sick in Bathinda knows CMC, DMC. That's it. We need to have a roadmap for, and I think this pandemic has taught us that, anything can happen anytime. So you better be prepared.
Lovely. So third question is very, very close to me personally and the Roundtable India members here. It's about education. We as Roundtable India, we create schools, especially in the government schools, we create classrooms and we improve the infrastructure. We put smart classes. We do rainwater harvesting. So we try and match it to the private levels. When I say match it, because I believe while there is a lot of work happening, I wouldn't deny, a lot of work happening in the public education sector. Midday meals have happened. But still the gap between the private education and public education has continuously been increasing. आप अगर इधर ही